Hey. What do you smell? Had to take back my stuff. We're putting together the vanity, which is basically just the desktop. How far apart do you need to be? I guess I could always move it, because I don't think I'm going to screw it into the top. Goodness. Yeah. Yeah. This is so awkward to pick up. Yeah. 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 Are you having a bad time, Goose? She doesn't approve of this. It's closer. Alright, guys. Should we move it? Tram is making my horny noises. Should probably move it closer to the wall, so we don't have like weird empty pockets on both sides. Too small to do anything with. I should do this without the tabletop on. Maybe. It's gonna have to come in a little bit, I think, because of the window. Yeah. So a lot of it's like not in the light. But just this is when we find out everything's not even. The house is lopsided. Cheap mirror. Manager's beanbag chair. Where is it, buddy? I think this is the top. Hold on. Yeah. Yes, I have a box cutter, but it is also downstairs. So, excuse me. Oh, and I ruined the box. Hopefully this chair works because this has been sitting in the garage for some time now. Chair. Ah, yes, instructions. I'm sure those will be useful. Honestly, I'm surprised it didn't just come in one piece. Chair bottom. Chair tube. Other chair tube. I've lost my daughter. Eh. Oh. Okay. Oh. That's the chair. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Put it on carpet. Don't do on floor. Have questions? Call IKEA. Obviously. So we need to put the hat on, the box is still in the way, the hat on the star, right? Okay. And this, sorry Goose, and the bunghole, the little part into the butt. And then well, you see, part of this has already been done because it says that I need to undo this little guy, but he's already unfolded. And you, I guess, yeah, go in there. That's it. There's no click, nothing. Safety. And then this guy with its 8,000 tags. You, oh God. Schwip. Oh jeez. Schwip. If the Velcro would come out. Swip. Tuck. What is this tucking into? Huh? Hold on. What? Or are you connected to something in there? Are you sure? Okay. And then this gets tucked under. Is there Velcro underneath? This is Velcroed, so I don't understand where this goes. But this is already Velcroed. You unvelcro it? You unvelcro. I'm so confused. I'm just tucking stuff now. I don't think this affects the chairness of the chair. I guess. I don't work it. Oh! I don't know. There's Velcro like way down there. Okay. Hold on, pause. I gotta put back together what I took apart. There's like Velcro, like, Are you gonna reach that? Or is this meant for, oh, that wouldn't make sense. It must be you. Okay, these tags are gonna be in the fucking way. Like, I don't understand. Get tipped. Like, what the frick? Why is there so much Velcro in here? I think you stay here. You stay Velcroed. I don't think I'm supposed to do that at all. But like, what do I do with these tags? There's so many tags. You good? You good, Frank? You alright? Yeah. Frank, why are you freaking out? I just don't understand how. Yeah. It's just. This fabric doesn't have any stretch. How are you supposed to reach that far? Jesus Christ. I don't have the grip strength for this. I feel like that could have been laid out better. Yeah, more boxes. This chair I don't think is tall enough at all. Are you in there? Can I pick you up? Well, I mean, there's things cracking. Like, I'm awfully low. But I guess it could be worse. It's probably a height issue on my part. It's not smaller than I thought it would be. But I'm also probably a lot bigger than I thought I am. The only thing about it is it makes me nervous to sit in. Like how I would sit in a normal chair. And I wish I had wheels. But don't mind the bed. It's in the process of being debedded to be cleaned. But I guess this is alright. Yeah. Just tuck that bad boy in there, I guess. little chair. It's a cute chair. It's not exactly what I was hoping it would be, but whatever. It's probably also going to turn into Andrew's nightstand. Yeah. Alright, well that was uneventful. We're still waiting on the furniture to do the living room stuff, but we have a desk to do stuff on. Let me grab some of the stuff we're going to try. Like, I got the brushes we need to try. Then we got the little face suckers and the shark thing. And it is a table. It is a chair. It's hot in here. I don't know if the fan would be too much noise. Because we've got some things over here. I like that's okay. So we've got all of the makeup and what have you. Which honestly could probably use a declutter. Is there anything? Yeah. You know, if I was smart, I would put the makeup stuff on the side that's closest to the window. So that just might be what we do. Because there's hair tools down there and all the makeup's over here, but I'm not going to do the makeup